Hello, welcome to vAnalytics. Today I am going to discuss another requirement that is how to highlight or coloring alternative rows in the report. Okay, for example, in the report, first row red color and the second row show as a green color. Likewise, third row as red and fourth row as a green, vice versa. If you see here, okay, so this is first record red and second record green, third record red, fourth record green, likewise. Okay, this is the requirement. How I can able to do it, I will let you know. So let me move on. Report development. What I need to do for report development? So step I have provided here steps. Step 1, drag and drop subcategory in the rows and the required measures in the column self. Let me go to here. Okay, here subcategory. Yep, subcategory in the rows. Okay, and required measures. What are the measures we want? Let me put measure names here and measure values. Okay, let me drag under filter. What are the measures I want? And then I will select here profit, quality, sales or discount. This measures enough for me. Okay, now go to here. Yeah, now we have. Now step 2, what we need to do, create a calculation logic with the below logic and named as a row number, drag into the row self and convert it discrete. So there is one more logic we need to create. So why we need this? We need to, if we want to highlight alternate rows, first we need to generate a row. Okay, for the row I took here index. So I already calculated that logic here. This is logic calculation here, row number index. Just this is a function. This function will give the row numbers for each record. Okay, drag and drop this row number. Yeah, let me drag and drop. Okay, convert as discrete. Okay, interchange. Okay, next one, move on. So create a calculation with the below logic for odd and even numbers named as even and odd. So this is the logic. Okay, let me move on this. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you want to coloring first row, second row, okay, third row, means what we need to do, we need to calculate these all numbers. We need to generate as, we can separate as, or we can divide as odd and even numbers. So for that, what I wrote a calculation here. See, there is a calculation even and odd. Let me go to here. Yeah, so named as even and odd. So I wrote like this: if row number means whatever we calculated right here, this is row number. So percentage 2, this is a modulo calculation. Modulo calculation not equal to 0, then 0, comma 1. Okay, so what if this calculation, what it will give? So if I drag and drop this calculation, see what happened. Let me show you. See, all numbers it generate as first row 0, second row 1, third row 0, fourth row 1, fifth row 0 and sixth row 1, like that. Okay, now we have report. Now what I need to do, I need to apply colors. So first row means wherever we have 0, it's a red color, and wherever we have 1 is a green color. For that, so step 4, create a calculation with the below logic for odd and even numbers as color alternative. That is named as that one. So if even or odd, this column equal to 0, then R, else green. Okay, same. Let me go to here. I already wrote that logic here. Yeah, alternate rows, right? if you see, yeah, if even or odd, this column, okay, 0, then red, else green. Okay, drag this column into color zone. See now, okay, now we got it right. So now if you don't want these columns, we know, right, we can hide it. We can hide the labels. If you want, you can keep it. Okay, name as alternate rows. How to highlight the alternate rows? Okay, this one we need to write this one. Hide alternate rows, highlighting or color coding. Hope you understood. Okay, so this is the one of the requirement, the real-time kind of requirement, this one. So we have a logic here. I applied a couple of things. Please go through this video. If you like, please subscribe and share. Okay, thank you.